drive by and second neighbour for it. There we go. An ultra rare cartoon to sing along with us.
That's a cartoon. That's the song. Sing along.
This is an ocean carousel to run by Annie Tech, which is really rare for us. The rare bus is actually run by a second neighbour for it. This is a Brad's pickup truck kiddie ride by R.G. Mitchell. Yes.
When you're ready, press the start button.
On the brakes.
When you're ready, press the start button.
And that was the Brad's pickup truck kiddie ride by R.G. Mitchell.